Let me show you how you can use ChatGPT to get the best keywords for your digital marketing or YouTube channel in no time. I am sure by now all know how to open a ChatGPT account. If not, watch video in description section. Once we are logged into ChatGPT, we need to type in the query or ask ChatGPT like this. Can you get me the popular keyword phrases for digital marketing on Instagram? And again, I go on to mention I need more than 80 keywords on the topic. Immediately, ChatGPT has started typing the most probable keyword on the topic, one below the other. Next, we can go on by asking ChatGPT to get us some more keywords, but this time with specific words, digital marketing and Instagram in it. And done, ChatGPT is again typing the other 25 keyword we mentioned. To confirm there are not identical or any duplication of the keywords, I asked the same with ChatGPT. And bang on, and this is what I get answered. ChatGPT is such an amazing tool to use in assisting us with our work. But we can use the best keyword that we feel is most optimum for the topic. I hope this video helps you. To get content like this, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to never miss our notifications when we upload new content.